In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom thank you page on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to tweak the look and feel of the confirmation experience your customers see after they place an order. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where most of your store's behind-the-scenes configuration lives. Inside the settings area, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a variety of sections. You want to find and click on Notifications. This section controls the emails and messages Shopify sends to your customers, including order confirmations and other transactional updates. When you're inside the Notifications page, look toward the top right area of the screen for a button that says Customize Email Templates. Click that. This takes you to a visual editor where you can adjust some of the styling of your customer-facing messages, including what effectively acts as your thank you content. In this customization area, you'll see options to brand the layout. For example, you can click Add Image to upload your store's logo so it appears prominently on your thank you page and related notifications. This is a simple way to make your store feel more professional and on-brand. You'll also see an option for accent color. Click the box next to accent color to open the color picker. Here, you can choose a color that matches your branding, such as a key color from your logo or website theme. This accent color will be used for buttons and highlights, helping the thank you page feel cohesive with the rest of your store. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to click Save near the top, close to the search bar. After saving, scroll down to the preview area to review how everything looks. This live preview lets you confirm that your logo is placed correctly and that the accent color works well with your design. If you want more advanced customization, go back to the main customer notifications list, find Order Confirmation and click it. On the top right of the preview, you'll see an option labeled Edit Code. Click that. Here you can edit the email subject and the email body by adjusting the underlying code. For a simple example, locate the text that says Order Confirmed in the template. Change it to all capital letters so it reads Order Confirmed. After editing, click Save again near the top. Then click Preview to check your changes. You should now see that Order Confirmed appears in all caps in the preview, reflecting your customization. That's it. You've now learned how to customize your Shopify thank you page and order confirmation to better match your brand and style.